This dish tastes sweet and sour. It's very delicious. Remove the fish head and bones, and do not cut off the fish tail. Cut the fish into 1 centimeter square, but do not cut the skin. After cutting, add salt and cooking wine. Pour in clean water and rinse. Add salt and 2 eggs. Coat with cornstarch. Fry the fish in oil at 200 degrees Celsius. The oil temperature rises. We're going to blow it up again. Deep fry until golden and crisp. Take it out for standby. Pour in a packet of sweet and sour juice with good flavor. Pour it on the fish. Sweet and sour. It's delicious.